Facing a predicament, navigate through challenges. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, facing a predicament. This phrase is not just about encountering a problem. It's about finding yourself in a tricky situation where solutions aren't easy to come by. Let's explore what it means, how to use it in conversation, and even how to overcome predicaments in real life. Facing a predicament refers to being in a difficult, perplexing, or trying situation where making a decision is hard. It's not just any problem. It's one that puts you in a tight spot, often with no clear or easy way out. Imagine being stuck between a rock and a hard place, and you've got yourself a predicament. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Imagine you've promised to attend 2 different events that happen to be on the same day and time. You're facing a predicament because you can't be in 2 places at once. You're on a strict budget but suddenly face an unexpected expense. Deciding what to prioritize can be quite a predicament. These scenarios illustrate not just challenges, but the complexity and stress involved in finding a solution. Now, let's put our phrase into action. How can you use facing a predicament in everyday conversation or writing? Here are a few examples. I'm facing a predicament with choosing the right job offer, as both have their pros and cons. Our team is facing a predicament with the project deadline approaching and a major part still unfinished. Notice how these sentences convey not just a problem, but a challenging situation that requires careful thought and decision-making. Facing a predicament might seem daunting, but it's not the end of the world. Here are a few tips to navigate through these tough situations. 1. Take a step back and assess the situation calmly. 2. List down all possible solutions and evaluate the pros and cons of each. 3. Seek advice from friends, family, or mentors who might offer a new perspective. 4. Make a decision and act on it. Sometimes, taking action is better than being stuck in indecision. We hope this video sheds light on what it means to be facing a predicament and helps you navigate through your own tough situations with a bit more ease. Remember, predicaments are part of life, but they also teach us valuable lessons in problem solving and decision making. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.